subjects.
Okay. Okay. So basically the finance part you're going to manage very well, and corporate taxation and all that subjects I think you can handle.
Yes.
For me, I basically check the part and your grip in academics, your soundness, your communication skills, your persona, your promptness, your stability, your mental ability to handle things and pressures. So that is my area. Usually I speak when I'm not talking on the technical grounds. So, and secondly, we are in need of person who can deal with the finance related subjects that you have expertise, as you're telling to me right now, and you're pursuing PhD. So sounds okay for me. Now, let's just talk a bit more. When did you enroll yourself for PhD?
Ma'am, I enrolled in 2019. Actually, that time in February 2019, the DRC work was there, and after that, my coursework completed, and after that, this lockdown happened. So I have not started my work there continuing, and that's why the work is going very slow. So I'm not able to continue that. Just the reason due to lockdown.
But you'll be
Nothing
doing
else.
it. But you'll be doing it.
Yes. I'll be doing it, ma'am.
So you have been allotted with a guide?
Yes, ma'am. I'm allotted a guide.
Okay. Have you narrowed down the title for your thesis?
Ma'am, I have thought to do something on telecommunication sector. Actually, I just wanted to do a comparative study between the telecommunication sector in private and public sector. Everybody is now preferring for the private sector, and public sector are declining nowadays. So I just wanted to do a comparative study between both of them.
The
in taking
intent
a
of
specific
asking,
reason.
okay. The intent of asking this question is that to bring you down to the statistics, just to understand your clarity over statistics and all, because if you're going to work or perform a comparative study, that means, I don't know, you're going to handle the primary data? No, you'll be working on the secondary data, it seems.
Ma'am, I have to work on the primary data. I cannot work on the secondary data for the PhD. So
okay.
I have to work on primary data.
Good. Over to you, Siddhant. You just asked about the subject's expertise in your area, please.
For sure, ma'am. Thank you so much. Yeah, ma'am. Thank you. Good noon to all of you. Ma'am, Shrishi ma'am, I just want to know one thing, that you have been pursuing you are pursuing PhD right now. Okay, so you had chosen particularly in finance or something else?
No, sir, particularly not in finance, but I have thought that area of working where I have to do research, where the things are lacking behind, there I just wanted to do the research.
Okay, very frankly saying, Shrishi ma'am, actually we are looking for a core finance faculty who can look forward for the certain subjects, likewise financial management, corporate taxation, even company accounts, and in this particular in BBA second, we are actually looking for the cost accounting one. So particularly if you know about labor cost or cost sheet or contract costing, we have to, you said you already worked on it. So I think so.
These are only my subjects where I'm teaching, and I know that I'm comfortable with all these subjects. Like you said about income tax and statistics and all these subjects, cost accounting, I'm comfortable with these subjects, sir.
Okay, that's great, ma'am. One more thing, actually, I know that you had a gamut of experience in particularly in finance, but we don't want any sort of infidelity from your side. Means if you have been concerned enough that you can look forward to for this stream, we just look forward for some more sessions, some more duration with you. Practically in expect, because we don't want that you will just pursue for few minutes and then you look forward to some other job or some other listing things. So I just want to just to clarify, just don't stumble. Just look forward to it. Just associate it with if you're selected, and definitely you will get a very good opportunity over here as an visiting faculty. And then obviously we also look forward to in future if you have been serving us in a very good manner. Rest decided by our management, our respective director ma'am and the respective HR ma'am. So thank you for my side, and actually I just want to know, and had this thing that particularly if you had a
Sir,
core
I'll
in
just
finance.
make you.
I beg your pardon?
Sir, I'll just make you sure that I'll be honest to the organization. So be मतलब मेरे तरफ से आप बिल्कुल भी एकदम चिंता मत करिए. I'll be honest to the organization and I'll be focusing on the subjects and towards the student. What are the work will be assigned to me, I'll be completing there.
Okay.
Okay, Shishri ma'am, actually मैंने sorry ma'am, मैं एक बस
No,
एक
that's
चीज और
fine.
थोड़ा शेयर
Please,
करना है.
please, please.
मैं ये चीज एक बिल्कुल क्लियर कर दूं मैम, मेरे लिए फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी मेरे स्टूडेंट हैं और ये जो सब्जेक्ट है आप भी समझेंगे क्योंकि ये फाइनेंस का सब्जेक्ट है जो फर्स्ट सेम से लेके फोर्थ सेम तक, इवन फिफ्थ सेम में भी कुछ कंटेंट है तो हमें रिक्वायर्ड रहता ही है. लेकिन क्या होता है जब हम विजिटिंग लाते हैं, वेरी फ्रेंकली विजिटिंग की खुद की प्रायोरिटीज अपनी बन जाती है कि सर मैं पीएचडी फॉलो कर रही हूँ तो मैं भी क्लासेस नहीं ले पाऊंगी, मेरी कुछ खुद की ट्यूशन क्लासेस है तो मैं पेपर नहीं बना पाऊंगी, मैं पेपर अभी सबमिट नहीं कर पाऊंगी, मेरे पास टाइम नहीं है. जबकि हमें हर चीज एकदम पॉइंट टू पॉइंट काम करते हैं और हमें मैनेजमेंट को ऐसा ही दिखाना है कि यू आर जस्ट विजिटिंग बट यू आर वर्किंग एज एट पार विथ अस. सो बस ये सृष्टि में आपसे चाहूंगा कि जो भी डॉक्यूमेंटेशन वर्क हो, चाहे वो पेपर बनाने का हो, चाहे वो पेपर चेकिंग का हो, आप कंफर्टेबल रहें क्योंकि वो डिपेंडेंसी आप पे रहेगी. और अगर आपके वेरी फ्रैंकली अगर कुछ आपके प्राइवेट कुछ ट्यूशंस हैं या तो अभी आप डिस्कस कर लें तो इट्स वेल एंड गुड फॉर अस. सो क्योंकि
No.
बाद में जाके वो इश्यूज होते हैं और बाद में जाके बच्चे जी.
No, sir,
जी मैम, प्लीज.
actually, I'll be honest to you, I'm not teaching any tuitions right now. So there is not a issue of tuitions and coachings and all. Just I have one thing I've discussed with HR ma'am also, and I will be honest to you also. I am actually on 5th of July, I'm having an interview of Assistant Professor Commerce, PSC. So that is the only thing. If I'll get a interview cleared, so I will get a joining after that and I have to be working there. So till that, I have a time till September with you all, I think. So that is a duration I'm getting to work. And if not, then I'll be continuing with you all.
Okay,
So
then
this is the...
frankly, thank you so much for sharing your, actually you shared your thing. But frankly, in this scenario, you have to look forward to, means you have to take this syllabus in very at pace actually. आप बहुत जल्दी पढ़ाएंगे क्योंकि अगर आप डेडलाइन में खुद देख रहे हैं और आप खुद अभी डिलेमा में हैं कि आप सितंबर में शायद ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं, तो मैं आपसे फिर कहूंगा जैसा मैम डिसाइड करें उसके बाद में कि फिर हम चाहेंगे आप जल्दी कोर्स कंप्लीट कराएं क्योंकि अगर आपकी अनसर्टेनिटी अचानक से आती है और कोर्स आधा रह जाता है वो हम कभी नहीं चाहेंगे. सो आप अपने रेशियो के हिसाब से, अपने पेस के हिसाब से, अपनी चीजों के हिसाब से देन वी लुक फॉरवर्ड टू इट. बाकी जैसा मैम सजेस्ट करें, जैसा एचआर मैम कहें. तो थैंक यू फ्रॉम माय साइड. थैंक यू सो मच मैम. नाउ आप प्लीज जो कहना चाहें.
I just have two, three things for you. First, very clearly, he explained that this time tweaking will not be possible, you know, calling him up and or something, please do something, make some arrangements, not allowed. Once class is frozen, class is frozen. You have to be taking, because that you know, that triggers sincerity in students as well, you know. So they should also look forward for your class. Should not be like Srishti ma'am का आज class होता है, कल का पता नहीं होता, कल सुबह ही पता चलेगा when is she going to take the class. I don't want that scenario at all. This is number one. Number two will be the basic paperwork. You're from maths, you know very well the ERP system, LMS system. You people have been doing the faculty diary and course outline manual on the LMS, so you are well aware of that. So that is a piece of document where all the topics you will be narrating, you will be teaching, you have to be documenting it in a format. You know very well how to do it. Once for all, that document has to be there. You have to be completing it and giving it to us. Okay, that is not a problem. Course completion certificate, once you complete the course, you will be released based on the submission of course completion certificate that you have completed the course, and then you are getting released. All the notifications from the exam cells are going to be, you're going to be getting the same. You'll have to submit the question paper on time, submit the answer sheets corrected on time, the grade sheet on time, so that we adhere by the deadline and nothing gets missed just because you are a visiting faculty. Because visiting faculty or not, faculty is a faculty for me, right? You are also connecting to the student base of AFT, so be very assured on that. Rest all, As you already told that September will be a deciding month for you, or I'll say 5th of July will be the deciding time for you. We wish obviously luck for that, and definitely we'll come back to you on this, and let us just come back on your candidacy very soon. So it was great interacting with you, Srishti. I hope Viren, Shivangi, you want to ask anything?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so Srishti will get back to you, right? Thank you so much.
Ma'am.
Thank
Nice.
you, Siddhanji. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. So
Thank you,
much.
Shivangi. Bye-bye.
Thank you, ma'am.